Sit back. Listening to Grandma go, no, go the other way, no, go the other way. You're not turning, go the other way. John goes, oh, sorry. Yay, I'm driving.
This has a special safety thing. If you fall off this, it will shut off. So here, let me show you something. Get off camera. Now, see this right here? When this seat comes up, it triggers something that cuts the engine off. So if you slide up here, it comes up. If you sit back here, it stays down. So when you slide up there, to go faster, you actually cut it off. So what you want to do is the opposite of what you're doing. So you got to just stay seated and push that as far as you can without moving your seat up. Okay? But if you try to push that down further than you can, but the seat then comes up, you turn it off.
Kind of defeats the purpose.
And that's not what you want to do. I mean, you notice how it kind of, when you slid up, it kind of like it was kind of dying. Okay, and then you sat back, it kept going. Well, that's how you do it. You've got to sit back. But see, it's made for somebody my size or your dad's size or something like that. It's not made for somebody your size. You're really not made to drive it yet.